Okay guys, let's see if I could get through this quick video. This is a 2019 RS V4RR that we just sold to someone in Indiana. So it's scheduled to ship out any day now. I have to say, I'm very distracted right now because of all that is going on in the world. Especially here in Santa Monica with a lot of protesting and recent looting of the town. I mean, even today we have, looks like a very peaceful protest or gathering there at the beach. There's always helicopters above us these last few days. But anyway, quick video here for our new customer in Indiana. He asked me if I could take this video. So let's highlight the really sharp looking Fender Eliminator and integrated taillight. This is by Competition Works. This taillight, I think, is called the is it the Shadow or the Blackout? I can't remember, but it's the one that has the clear lens, but the inside, the back of it is blacked out. So, you know, at a glance, you can see the reflection, but it kind of looks dark. I'll turn that on in a second. And then we have, of course, the SC Project CRT standard mount. There's two versions of this CRT exhaust slip-on, the standard mount or the low mount. Well, actually, there's more than two versions, but there's two lengths. This is the standard length. The low mount, I think, barely comes to the top of the swing arm. And then, of course, you have carbon fiber or titanium, mesh or no mesh. This is the titanium, obviously, with no mesh screen. That's basically it. This customer kept it pretty simple. Why don't we turn it on if we don't disrupt too much. "4 miles. We all know that is one of the loudest exhaust options for these bikes. I don't need to whack that throttle. That's it, guys. That is it for this one. Thank you. Hope all of you are safe and, you know, doing the best you can during these challenging times.